Hwa Rang Do, eng Sportart, die in Lützeburg nicht allzu bekannt ist. Wir waren am Uelzechtkanal do, für mehr herauszufinden.
What makes Hwa Rang Do different from other martial arts like Taekwondo or Karate?
Hwa Rang Do is not only a sport. So you say Taekwondo or Karate, their main focus is competition. And they're the sport competitive aspect of martial arts. We are a lineage of a warrior class, of the Hwa Rang warriors of ancient Korea. What we are doing is trying to preserve the warriorship and the warrior path. So we're not just interested in the sport competitive aspect, but in how we can live our lives as a warrior, as a Hwa Rang in the modern era.
How did you personally get into Hwa Rang Do?
Personally into Hwa Rang Do because I was born into it. My father is the founder of Hwa Rang Do, the founder of what is the modern martial art of Hwa Rang Do, because Hwa Rang Do was a warrior art. With that, I'm the firstborn, and which also means that I will take on this art as the next heir of as the doju, which means owner of the art, owner of the way.
And how makes that you feel that Luxembourg won the last 3 times?
I'm very proud, and but now who knows? They're fighting against Italy, Team Genoa, Italy. They're very strong, and but you would be okay to give it up, or be gracious and give it to Italy this year.
Okay. Bringt das Championship Land Lützeburg an den Vordergrund?
Ja, das klang, aber das ist wichtig. Und wie wir Lützeburger, wir sind klein, wir sind wichtig für Europa und für die Welt hoffentlich. Und das gesagt denn. Aber auch hier, das sind kleine Sportarten, die nicht ganz bekannt sind. Aber die haben hier Wert, die haben hier Wichtigkeit. Und dass wir hier an dieser Sportart können gewinnen und die echt sind, das ist extrem wichtig und das muss wirklich beeindruckt sein und das gesehen, dass wir auch an die kleinen Sachen extrem gut können sein.
What does Hwa Rang Do mean to you personally?
Hwa Rang Do is an incredible journey. It's a journey, physical journey, it's a mental journey, it's a spiritual journey. So for me, it's an incredible way to empower people, and that's why we do it. At the end of the day, we're all here to share our passions with the public today, but also with our students, and try to empower one person at a time through mental strength, body strength, and also pure spirits. And it's an incredible way for me to also boost from the little children. We have people from 3 years old all the way up. There is no age limit for that. So that's a journey. It's a real journey.
How did you first get involved in it?
I was looking for a martial art. I used to be a runner before, and I was looking for a martial art here in Luxembourg. And I found this little club here in Luxembourg. It was a very little club. We just had 4 people at the very beginning, and then the club continued to grow thanks to Grandmaster Taejong Lee. When he came here to Luxembourg, he told me once, he says, we will get to 100 students. And now we are almost there, actually. So it's been an incredible growth for us and for me as well on a personal level.
How did you feel during the matches, and how did you prepare for them?
Well, the matches are the beauty of martial art for me is the purity of martial arts. When you are at the match, you are you with yourself. All your doubt, your fears, everything, it comes to you in that moment. So the most important thing is, of course, train your techniques, train your body, but it's also very, very important to have a strong mind and try to let go all those doubts and fears, and always keep in mind that you're there to just do your best. Winning or losing, you're there for win, but the important thing that you want to look back after and just tell yourself I did my best. So, and that's for me the best feeling.
Zum Schluss goufen dann noch die Kuppen und die Medaillen ausgedeelt, und da war es doch schon.